Dear friends, in this short video we'll show one of our most common types of repairs, replacing a rotary potentiometer. Here we're working with a synthesizer control panel board. This board is multi-layer, which makes soldering somewhat more difficult compared to single-layer boards. For rotary potentiometers and encoders, I've found the following desoldering method to be gentle on the PCB. I place the board on an anti-static mat and also use an anti-static wrist strap. My micro soldering iron is set to 350 degrees Celsius, or 660 degrees Fahrenheit. To make desoldering easier, I use flux and add more soft solder to all the components' pins. First, I heat both mounting tabs at the same time, and once the solder begins to melt, I pull out the potentiometer on that heated side. At this point, it is only held by the variable resistor pins in a single row. I heat these pins as well, and once the solder starts to melt, I carefully remove the potentiometer, never using excessive force. I remove any remaining solder from the solder pads. And I clean off any remaining flux residue with isopropyl alcohol. Finally, I place the new potentiometer and solder it in. And we're done. If you prefer a different method, feel free to share it in the comments.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.